Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rename all files in a folder using Power Automate Desktop. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize multiple files at once with a consistent naming pattern. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Power Automate Desktop application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with different options for creating new automation. From this menu, select Flow to begin creating your new automation workflow. Now you'll be prompted to input a flow name. Choose a descriptive name that helps you identify this automation later, something like Rename Files Automation or Batch File Renamer. After entering your flow name, click the Create button. You'll need to wait a moment while Power Automate Desktop sets up your new flow and loads the workspace. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient as everything initializes. Once the workspace loads completely, you'll see the main interface with various panels. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Variables. This section contains all the variable-related actions you can use in your flow. Look for the action called Set Variable and drag it into your workspace on the right. This action will help you create a counter for numbering your files. In the variable name field, give it a meaningful name like file counter or file number. Then in the value field, enter the number 1. This sets your starting point for the file numbering system. Next, navigate back to the left panel and find the folder category. Click on it to expand the available folder actions. From this section, drag the Get Files in folder action into your workspace. This action will retrieve all the files from your target folder. In the folder field, click to browse and locate the folder containing the files you want to rename. Select your folder and then click Save to confirm this action. Now head back to the left panel and click on Loops. This category contains actions that let you repeat processes. Find the For Each action and drag it into your workspace. This loop will process each file individually. Click the curly brackets icon labeled X and select Files from the dropdown. This tells the loop to iterate through all the files you retrieved earlier. Click Save to confirm. With your loop set up, return to the left panel and click on Files. Drag the Rename File action into your workspace, making sure it's placed inside the For Each loop you just created. In the first field, click the X icon again and select Current Item from the dropdown. This references whichever file the loop is currently processing. In the second field, keep it set to Set New Name. Then in the New File Name field, input whatever naming pattern you want for your files. You can combine text with your variable to create sequential names. Click Save when you're done. Almost there? Go back to the left panel, click on Variables again, and drag the Increase Variable action into your workspace, placing it inside the loop after the Rename action. In the Variable Name field, enter the same variable name you created at the beginning. Then in the Increase By field, enter 1. This increments your counter after each file is renamed, ensuring each file gets a unique number. Click Save to finalize this action, and that's it. You've successfully created an automation flow that will rename all files in your selected folder with a consistent naming pattern and sequential numbering. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.